Hi guys, and welcome back again to Draft Project. Here I'll be showing you how to replace your rear stabilizer link. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. First, clean the mountings with a brass wire brush. Spray some penetrating fluid to make it easier to loosen. Grab a 40mm wrench and start loosening those two nuts. You can whack it with a hammer to hasten the process. Remove the stabilizer link. You can remove some dust and debris using a brass wire brush. Here is the stabilizer link that my customer bought. 555 brand is a great product for suspension. It is made in Japan and widely used by car manufacturers. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the stabilizer link. This is the old one, which is loose and has a big play. The new one is stiff and I could barely move it. You can install it the way you want it to be. When you loosen the nut of an old stabilizer link, the stud might end up twisting. You can use an Allen wrench to stop it from twisting. Put some grease onto the threads to prevent it from rust. You can put some grease onto the brackets too. Install the lower part first. Hand tighten the nuts. Use a jack to raise the suspension. When the stud match up, insert it and install the nut. Tighten it snug. And now, we're finished. I also have other videos about the replacement of rear shock absorber and front shock absorber. You can check the link in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe now. I hope you appreciate it and find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. Don't forget to hit like and click the bell to keep you guys updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much and God bless.